This video will cover the Vendors tab on the Enterprise version. To edit your vendor information, you want to click on Vendors. You can then click on Add, Edit, Delete. You will find your vendors in here if they're already added. If not, you can click on Add Person and fill in the information for the vendor. It does require that you put in a first and last name, a vendor company, and a vendor password as well. The password is just something that you create so that they can check in if you do have the pre-registered vendor check-in turned on. And then just make sure you click on Save Changes at the bottom if you wish to make no other changes. And now back on the Vendors tab here, you can choose to have vendors check in instantly by clicking on Instant, or you can have them check in as pre-registered vendors. The difference is that with the instant check-in, a vendor can come in and click on check-in, and they can put in their information such as their first and last name, the company name, and cell phone number, and then just check in that way. The other type of check-in is going to be your pre-registered. That means they do have to be in the school check-in database here, and you do have to create a password for them. So when they check in, they click on check-in and put in their vendor password that you created, and then they can click on check-in. The next setting here is going to allow visitor check-in for vendors. So if they're going to check in as a visitor, they need to select yes here. And the last option is going to be print checkout barcode on the badges. This will work if you have a barcode scanner that will allow you to check the barcode. Once you've made any changes, go ahead and click on Save Changes at the bottom. And that concludes this video. To access additional videos, please visit us at schoolcheckin.com.